Come on. We finna take a ride, y'all ain't ready? Let's go.
I got something to say.
It's a family celebration, come and take a ride. We about to celebrate, time to live your life. Taking trips across the globe, we got it going on. I talked to God about some things, we tryna get it going. He told me get up on your grind, tryna beat the odds. Working harder, even smarter with the family ties. I've been praying, so I hustle, giving God's time. Bringing light into the world, so we all shine. Pray, hustle, and travel and repeat, Sit back and relax, put up your feet, Pack your bags, come on, we about to take flight. Tripping with Dre and Michelle, yeah, it's a good life. Pray, hustle, and travel and repeat, Sit back and relax, put up your feet, Pack your bags, come on, we about to take flight. Tripping with Dre and Michelle, yeah, it's a good life.
What's up, y'all? It's your boy Big Dre
and Michelle,
and we're live on the Carnival Mardi Gras, and we decided we'll do our first mukbang today. We've never did one before, so today we're doing a mukbang with of course a guy's burger. And then we're doing the other burger is a big chicken sandwich. All right, and then we got some fries from both places. This is Guy's Burgers fries, and this is Big Chicken's fries. Y'all see the difference? So, and then we got some orange soda.
and water.
Pop, if you live in Midwest. Alright, Michelle gonna bless the food.
Bless this food in Jesus' name. Amen.
So Michelle is real crazy about the Guy's Burgers. So I think I got one with no pickle. I think this
I have to have pickles.
So we
just cut mine in half.
We both got the same chicken sandwich, right?
No.
Which one do you got?
I have the MDE.
Oh, okay.
Add cheese to it is what I did.
Okay, so this is your burger. So we're gonna eat first, the chicken sandwich or the burger?
I guess the chicken sandwich.
Okay, so that's mine. So yeah, y'all, we've been on the Mardi Gras now. This is our last day. This is our last sea day, and we disembark on tomorrow. So it's been a nice cruise. So we'll give y'all our full review on a later video, but today this is all about the food right now.
Okay, so let me tell y'all, my sandwich, Andre has the big
Aristotle,
which has mustard cheese, crispy fried onions, bacon, and sweet and smoky barbecue sauce. But Memphis barbecue sauce, but he didn't want the barbecue sauce.
I didn't want the barbecue sauce. See that?
And I have the MDM with Shaq sauce and pickles, and I had them to add cheese to it also. So that's what we're trying today.
Let's dive in. Y'all, I don't know where they get these chicken sounds, these chicken period. But the chicken breast is so good. So good. And they little flat fries. Guy's Burgers is only on, Big Chicken is only on, I think it's on 2 ships. I might be wrong. But I know it's here on, you can definitely find Big Chicken on the
Mardi Gras.
On the Mardi Gras. Yep.
I just missed my mouth with this french fry.
You did.
So we have been having, today has been really fun. We had a late breakfast, which was, we had at the Lido deck. And it was pretty good. Then we went on, what floor we was on?
The 6th floor.
We was on the 6th floor. They were playing bingo. We wasn't playing bingo. I went to Java Blue. Got me a strawberry donut. Y'all, it was good. And I had a double chocolate frappe. We went into the piano bar Andre had church, which y'all will probably see.
Had church on the ship, y'all.
We met up with a few of the content creators and took a group picture. I wish more would have came, but it was cool. We had a good time.
Yeah, shout out to all the other, again, MH Family Adventures, Internet at Fun, and the other guy you met, Chris, I forgot the channel. I'll post it in the description. Make sure you guys go follow them.
Okay, so chicken.
This chicken sounds so good.
From Big Chicken is really good. So I guess we could try our burgers. Hey! You ready to try the burger?
Okay, so now we're gonna switch over to the burger now.
Which one is mine? I see it.
Yeah, that one with the pickle. I don't do pickle.
Hey, how can you not eat pickles? What kind of person are you that
I don't do
eat pickles? I don't get it.
That's why they have the best soda on the ship. For real, y'all. Alright, so we're gonna dig in. Now both of these sandwiches are the same. They're called the ringers. And Michelle just got pickle with hers.
And the french fries is always good.
There's no ketchup or nothing on it though. Oh, they must have put the barbecue sauce on it.
I gotta sneeze.
Bless you, bless you, bless you.
Oof.
I had to take some of these onions out, y'all.
I know them onions gonna be tan.
These onions are a little loud, y'all. Onions a little loud.
That's what I meant to tell you, to tell them no onions.
Ooh. Them onions is loud. Burger King onions, y'all.
That's so funny.
Lord Jesus.
Okay, I'm ready. Y'all know, if y'all watched our vlogs, y'all know I love Guys Burgers.
Oh, you want to seeing them?
And on most cruises, I have like 2 or 3 a day. But on this cruise, this is the second one. I think I had one the first or second day, and then this one. So I haven't been eating them like I normally do. But they good.
That is pretty good. I can't even front.
But you don't see what I see in them.
I don't.
And the fries is perfect with them too. It's a great combination.
Yeah.
A piece of an onion stew.
Hello.
Let me get a bite of the onion ring that's on it.
Peace in Ukraine, y'all. Peace in Ukraine. Peace in Ukraine.
I don't like onions on a burger, but I do like onion rings on and off a burger.
No, I like grilled onions.
I like mushroom on mine.
Which french fry you like the best? You like the guys or the big chicken fries?
I don't know. I like both of them because guys fries go with the burger and the big chicken fries go with the chicken sandwich. So I can't say which one I like the best because they both are good.
That's fair. So you all, if you ever go on the Carnival ship, and it has, well, pretty much all Carnival ship has a Guy's Burgers. Now say Guy's Burgers, not Five Guys like Michelle say all the time.
They're so similar. All that's missing is a milkshake.
I know, right? So this is really our, I guess, lunch.
Pretty much, this is our lunch.
Our lunch at 4:49 in the afternoon. Everything is so good, y'all.
I get back home, I'm gonna have to start eating healthy.
I know. It's always on the cruise where you just feel like you gotta pig out.
Indulge.
If you ain't pigging out, you ain't cruising. I don't know what it is. But they have so many restaurants on this ship, especially on the Mardi Gras. And that's something for everybody. Italian, Chinese, Mexican food, Japanese food.
Sushi.
I mean, you want to go get some Creole food from Emerald's. You can get some barbecue from Pig and Anchor. Soul food from Pig and Anchor. I mean, they cover it all. And that's just in the restaurants. In the buffet, it's the same thing. They offer tons of different variety of food. No, I'm not gonna say all the food is good. Some of the food just doesn't have any season or taste to it, and that's because, you know, just gotta cater to different people's, you know, healthy lives, you know. So you'll find a lot of people, you know, people who have diabetes or whatever, they have sugar-free options in the dessert.
All right, so
I don't know. I'm gonna have to go back to this. I finished my chicken sandwich.
I know that's what I did.
Cause guys
is good. Don't hate
guys,
on guys.
ain't hitting it for me today.
Don't hate on guys.
That's your favorite. Oh. So those of y'all that's been on the cruise, what's your favorite thing to eat on a cruise? It don't have to be Carnival. It could be Royal Caribbean, MSC, Disney. What's your favorite thing to eat? Let us know in the comments. What's your favorite thing to eat on a cruise?
I don't know. On the other cruises, I like going to the deli. That's what it's called? They had the wraps and the sandwiches and like the chili cheese dogs and stuff. But I didn't see that. I mean, I'm pretty sure they have it here. I think it's the panini place. What it's called? I think they have like chili cheese dogs and different sandwiches, but it's not like on the other Carnival ships.
Okay.
But I guess y'all know that the guy's burger is good. The big chicken is fire. Both fries are really good. And I mean, you can't go wrong with some orange soda pop. So I guess we're gonna end this here so we can finish eating. And we'll get back with y'all.
Make sure y'all like, subscribe,
comment, and hit the bell notification. Share, tell a friend, tell a family member. So yeah, that helps us out, and it don't cost either one of us a thing. So we appreciate each and every one of y'all.
All right, y'all, from the Mardi Gras on Carnival, we're saying see you guys later. Bye. You not gonna win?
I was in the daze just that quick.
Oh,
See y'all later.